All right, y'all. Day 2 of unboxing garage tools. I got the tire changer. Works like a champ. Best $900 I ever spent. I can take care of all this junk I got over here. I already started on it. Got plenty of trailers to do tires on. Plenty of vehicles. I can do custom stuff at the house now with that. You know, just building the shop up, right? And then in this box, we have a tire balancer. So let's crack this thing open. See what this looks like. I'm excited. Always wanted a shop. Let's see, we got the instructions. Computer wheel balancer. Put this little guy over here. Looks good. All new, wrapped up very well. I guess this was the, maybe that was the 1000 and this was the 900. I'm not sure how it worked out, but I paid $1,900 for both of these. Yeah, let's break the rest of this box out and see what we got. Doesn't smell like Harbor Freight. You got processed rubber smell, everything you buy from Harbor Freight smells like. I'm not sure where it's made. I'm not sure if it would be great for commercial use. If we're at the house, I think this will last me a lifetime. We got the box. That's going to be all your adapters to put different wheels on it. Nice and greasy for packaging. All the packaging was bone dry. I mean, we drove through rainstorms and everything else getting back here, and then it's just been sitting underneath my roof. There's not a drop of water in this box, so A+ on the shipping at Katool. That's awesome. So we got the KT-B700 electronic tire balancer. And I got the KT-T800 tire changer. $1,900 off of eBay. I can't complain. Don't have to go to the tire shop no more. Let's break this thing out of the box and get it out for the trash guys. It's Tuesday. Very important, do not lift this shaft when handling. That would be the first thing you'd want to grab when you're trying to get this out of the box. Over here is something else. Got your tool holder, I guess, to see how wide your real wheels are, but that's welded. That's nice and solid. I guess I could pick it up from there. Yeah, you don't want to pick up by the shaft here. That's the brains of the whole thing. That's what calibrates the wobble in your tire. It'll stop and tell you where to put the weight at. Well, I got this thing all unboxed right before the trash do you got here. So, to get rid of this junk out of the shop, try to make a shop. Got that ignorant fan on. It's loud, but it works. Let's see what they put in the box. In this box you get the adapters, it looks like, for different size rooms. So we got the lock and deal. know where you stick that, probably over here. Look at that. What is it? Various little cones and stuff to go on the end of the shaft. And different wheels on. All kinds of good stuff. Spring release cup. Goes in there like that. Hey, tools! Got your wheel weight. Some center cap removal stuff. Your wheel weight removal tool and tackle and hammer. Another adapter. Just pops out the way. Something to put the other. Let's see. Probably puts the top on. The end of here. Nope, that's the end of it. Yeah, that's got to keep this lid on everything. Some assembly required. Let's put it together. Alright. This bag is pretty much self-explanatory. So over here is your extension screw-on piece that it's got a nut, bolt, fits into the shaft, that way you can put wheels and tires on, and give you the tool to put it together with. Looks legit to me. Let's grab an extension cord and plug this thing in and see if it's good. Alright, got it all plugged in. On switch. There we go. Legit. Looking for balancing. Alright, y'all, look, I've been putting that machine to work. I done flop these around and these around. The mount dismount machine works wonderful, and the tire balancer found a home for them over here in the corner. Pretty much flip it on. They got the calibration sheet in the instructions. You mount your tire up, give it a measurement here. We're at 13.5. This little plastic arm's a bit wobbly, so you can't press too hard against the wheel with it. So we'll go 13.5. The rim is a 7.5. 15. Give it a start. It stops by itself. And there we go. That's what it's off by. Don't have any weights just yet, but they're on order. They're coming. I found a little home for my tire machines here. I put me up a little wind wall on my carport. It's still open. And installing my lift right now. The video's coming up on that. Just trying to make something out of nothing. So appreciate y'all checking out Modified this week. I got a new video coming up next week and the week after. I put the Suburban on a dyno and I got some gains from just a muffler swap, and then I went and put a Diablo Sport tune on it. So I got that coming up. Answers there. And appreciate checking out Modified, y'all. Let's keep it up. Thanks.